All right, this is a video on how to make a screen recording using QuickTime Video. First thing is you got to come down, open up QuickTime. It opens up this window, but don't worry about that. You're going to come up to the corner up here. You're going to click on File. You're going to come down to Screen Recording. That window disappears, and then you're going to get this little box. You can see it can hear my voice already. Then I'm going to press this button here. Then I'm going to pull back, and you're going to notice this comes to the center of the screen. It says click to record a full screen. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my cursor there, click on it, and now we're recording this full screen. Now, when you get done and you're finished with your video, you come up here to the right side and you see this little thing, you click on that. And then it opens it up, and there's your video. And so then I'm going to come up to the top of this, because I want to save it. I'm going to click on that, and then it brings up this box, and you can name it. And I'm going to name it TOM. And then I'm going to save it to my desktop. And that's how you make a QuickTime video screen recording.